Yo, what it is, man? It's your boy ASAP. You know, just got the house. Again, ASA motherfucking P, chilling right now. About to do my first ever video with me rapping to the Drake Miss Me joint with the hook on it. So, I mean, tell me what you think. Hit me up. Alright. Let me tell you something on some CIA shit. That means it's top secret, you can't even speak of it. I'ma do it big, not just local. Gotta make it worldwide. Shit, I gotta be a mogul. I'ma do it hard. I'm gonna keep it on the steel tip. All you wanna do is just sit there and talk shit. I don't talk shit, I make shit happen. And this game is my shit. I'm the motherfucking captain. Yeah, and I got this shit on lock. You see, I'm known across the country. You just know from up the block. Damn, and I'm just that major. You couldn't do it like me. Fuck it if they paid you. Or Raiders, I'm not from Oakland, bitches. But I tell these girls to open wide. Then I poke them bitches. I came to the game. It's a shotgun motion, so they couldn't get enough. So they overdosed. Time. On my words, this shit I say is absurd. Get you some, yeah, they can't concur. But it's cool, I'ma help them understand. When I'm making big dollars, yeah, they all gonna be mad. And I'm like medicine, they really need me. Some rappers fake, yeah, they made for just the TV. You hear my words, cause my words are like smoke. When you hear them motherfuckers, yeah, they make you wanna choke. Ha, I'm the originator, like the Terminator. To all my haters, I'm my motivator. See you later. Don't stop your job, cause your job, yeah, you do it well. It's story time, man. Fuck that, it's show and tell. And now I gotta give you time to come and kick it with me. And now I'm back freestyling to the fucking drizzy. You had to hide, now y'all gotta go and diss me. But what, when I'm gone, yeah, y'all just gon' miss me. Ah. You know what it is when I finally make it home. Uh-huh. Yeah. Can you just tell me what you down for? Anything you down for? I know things has changed, though I used to be around more, but you should. Yeah. ASAP out.